to this video where I'm going to show you how to stop the lights and use the meter on the TuneLab app for professional piano tuners. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you'd like to learn, you can go to apexpiano.com and join the mentorship. I have links in this video to the other videos in this series about the intro to TuneLab, which is the basic tuning app that I say to use in my to my students who are just starting, who don't want to spend $1,600 on an AccuTuner. This is an app you can get. You have a free trial version. The link will be in the description. Also, that free trial version just is for Android devices, I think just for your laptop. If you pay around $300, you can get it on your iPhone. So let's talk about how to stop notes. That's what this video is about. Basically, you can click in this upper quadrant to go to A4, and this is quadrants here, change it to up and down. Okay, so I've taught all this in a previous video. I won't go back over it. A4. We're going to play A4, and I'm going to show you how to read the display. Now, if it's a little too sharp, then you can see that. My in tune line is the red line, and when these black notes or black bars stop. So you can push down. Until you get them pretty much stopped. And actually, I think with TuneLab, I can get these notes to pretty much stop dead on. Okay, you can see that they've stopped. Now, you can see that they kind of want to move around a little bit, but they're mostly stopped. And the peak of this little mountain is right in the middle. So listen to this again. And there's a little reading in this top right hand side of the screen. I'm not sure you can see it, but it says negative 0.1. So it's 1/10 of a cent off. Actually, it says 0 now. So I have stopped it. What you don't want to do is stop tuning when it's like this. You know, that's too far. Okay. You can also use your two fingers and you can zoom in and out. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and I don't like to read this zoomed out, but here's what it looks like zoomed out. See, it's a lot narrower, and it's a lot harder to read, I believe. So I think what I like to do is just zoom all the way in. I've used this app enough to realize it's easier to read it when it's zoomed all the way in. And you have a listening blow. So you have a tuning blow, which is a little harder, and then a listening blow, which shows you that it does stop. And these black bars stop, and this mountain is perfectly peaked in the middle. Then you know that you're in tune. And that is how you use your tuning hammer to get these notes to stop. Check out the links in the description for the mentorship, where I show you hammer control and theory and everything else that goes along with tuning the piano. This is just an intro to this amazing little TuneLab app that helps you actually tune the piano, and you can use this through your career, as many professional piano tuners use this. I actually use the AccuTuner, which is a different device. I have many videos about that on my channel, but I also use this as a backup, or if I have to send my AccuTuner in for repairs. I've used this in the field. It works fabulously, and it's a fraction of the cost. So you can check the links in the description to get the app and to start your mentorship, where I show you how to tune a piano and do everything. That's awesome. God bless. I'll see you on the next video.